One thing that I like to keep in my traveling play therapy kit are books, because books really are meaningful to me and they're really helpful, I find, at times to help parents to read or to read to the children. But sometimes children want to utilize books in other categories as well and in play. And so I often bring books that I know will be relevant to a child's presenting issues or the things that we're working on in play therapy. But I love to bring books because they're so small and they're able to really hit at different things. And you never know when a child would like to read a book. So just as a sneak peek, here are some of my favorites for anxiety. I have Harold and the Purple Crayon. This is about problem solving. I have Is a Worry Worrying You? This is a helpful book to address worry. Scaredy Squirrel, to address what it feels like to do new things and tackling the unknown. And then also Listening to My Body, which talks about what different feelings and sensations are in your body and how they correlate and what to do with them when they show up.